Hi everyone, this is Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to add multiple fingerprints to improve unlock accuracy. So as you can see, if I use my left hand, it unlocks my phone. If I use my right hand, it basically unlocks my phone. So by allowing the registration of multiple fingerprints, your Samsung S25 Ultra ensures that your device responds consistently and accurately no matter which finger you use or how you're holding the phone. So this isn't just a convenience feature, it's a biometric safeguard that enhances how responsive and reliable your fingerprint sensor becomes. So let me show you how you can register multiple fingerprints to improve the unlock accuracy on your phone. So in order to do this, go ahead and bring down the quick panel menu, tap on settings, scroll down and find lock screen and AOD. From here, find screen lock and biometrics. Enter your PIN number. Now go ahead and tap on fingerprints. And here you can go ahead and add your fingerprints. So I would highly suggest add your left thumb, your right thumb, and go ahead and play around with it. So here I've already added it, but let's go ahead and add another fingerprint registration. Try to hold the phone in your hand and try to do this. So this basically gives a better accuracy of unlocking a device and registering that fingerprint. So now as you can see, we have registered 4 fingerprints. So now when we go ahead and lock our device, wake it up, we can go ahead and unlock it. And this basically improves the accuracy of your unlock. So you'll get faster and more consistent unlocking and reduce frustration caused by failed fingerprint reads, especially when your hands are wet, oily, or in motion. So there you go guys, that is how to add multiple fingerprints to improve unlock accuracy on your Samsung S25 Ultra.
If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.